Got a little bit of rain, the river's on the rise. I'm gonna throw the buzzbait a little bit. Let's go try and catch some smaller to mid-sized bass. If a big one happens to hit, we'll take. There's a fish. Little tiny fish. There we go, first one. Hey, all right, that was on the weed whacker. Basically, that's just a little tiny buzzbait. I figured that's probably about the size fish we'll catch, mostly. That's one. Those are bluegill. That's a bluegill bite. I can tell. There ain't no way that's a bass. I see that crap. Thank you. God. So we're changing it up. Gonna throw the junebug with the gold blade from SFO. Hand tied buzzbait. A little bit heavier weight, a lot more noise. I have a feeling we're about to get destroyed. I can't really make it. Kayak advantage right here, bud. I knew there was going to be one there. Knew there was going to be one there. Second one, not a bad one. There we go, that's a decent one. Don't move him. That's a decent one. Oh yeah. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Look at that joker. Ain't nothing wrong with that. There's an old fish here. Nice one. Take off. I love it. I'm gonna make a cast on these cypress knees. There's a log right here, so I'm gonna hit in just a second. Right there. That's it. That's what we were looking for. Golly, get me out of the tree, get out of the tree. Get out of there. She freaking came out and annihilated it. Holy cow. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's what I'm freaking here for, man. Those bites. Big old fish. Oh gosh. It soaked me. Those little cypress knees, those fish love to sit up in that stuff. But there's also like a little creek kind of right here. So I wanted to make sure I made a cast where that fish could see that bait and keep it kind of shallow. And she was just laid up in those cypress knees and just shot out, freaking smoked it. Let's keep going. There's a gator. Just seen a gator in there. Great. Now we got to deal with that. That's a decent one too. I got you, bud. I got you. I ain't gonna mess with you. Some of these look like they're patterned. There it is. Dang. There we go. That's another good. There's another good one. Oh gosh. It's not a great one, but it's a good one. Look at that. Looks like the same fish. It's not though. She got torn up. I mean, what's wrong with that? We had a little bit of rain here the last couple days, and I imagine these fish are probably just pushing up a little bit. But if you're gonna be off, we can go do something. Oh God, there's a good one. Ah. Huh?
So you're gonna practice?
Yeah, I'm planning on practice, but I get off Wednesday. For the most part, that's an afternoon trip. Get about 4 or 5 fish, run the river. Never been here before. Figured I'd give it a shot. Caught a couple decent ones. Throwing that buzzbait, the old Satilla with a copper blade, purple skirt. They hammered that thing, man. Missed a couple. We'll get them one day. There we go. It's a bass. I mean, what's wrong with that? Nothing. Get him out of here. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for joining me. A little after work session, throwing the buzzbait the entire time. Had a blast doing it. We're gonna get up here, get all this crap out. There's not a whole lot in here, like I said, I'm running very minimal. So we'll get this stuff out of here, get the boat loaded, tie it down, hit the road. Gotta get to work in the morning. See y'all next time.